Okay, once again, by Mr. Ray and Mr. Ray come back. Okay, the adventure of Mr. Ray and check it out. 3, 2, 1.
I know it is like, I know how it feels. Let your brain bet you that now you gotta keep it on you.
Good job!
Don't ever know if you know baby it's for you. Just hold on. If you're looking for something to carry you back into the light, love is the answer. Love is the answer. When you ready, start again. Half of you waiting with you in my hand. Love is the answer. Love is the answer. I know it is so. I know it is right.
Good job!
Not you in every day, feeling like you've been living the life.
Hello, bosku!
It's time to be free, some to find fish by the water. And just hold on.
Good job!
If you're looking for a something to carry you back into the light, love is the answer. Love is the answer. When you ready, start again. Half of you waiting, but you're not my hands. Love is the answer. Love is the answer. Love is the answer. Love is the answer.
Yeah, bye Mr. Ray. Kenapa cuek lagi?
Ih, bukan gitu. Enggak ada kok yang cuekin.
Halo, bosku! Adakah?
If you're looking for a something to carry you back into the light, love is the answer. Love is the answer. When you ready, start again. Half of you ready, reaching on my hands. Love is the answer. Love is the answer. Just hold on. Just hold. Okay, bye Mr. and see you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.